All right. Hey there. Hey there. My name is Danekia Smith. I have a very important message for realtors. Want to chat with you guys for a while. We all see the impact that this virus is having in the nation, in the industry, whether we want to admit it or not. There is a shift that is definitely happening right now. This virus has not only changed the way that our lives are operating, but definitely changing the way that many are doing business, especially in the real estate industry. I've seen several realtors say, hey, no, business is as usual. Nothing has changed. I still have closings. I still have listings, which is all amazing. But what I know that for the majority, this virus has really impacted them. I know a lot of even contracts and amendments and things have actually been added now due to the virus and the seriousness of it. But I also even want to share some statistics, provide some realtors with some resources and tools that you can actually utilize and leverage right now and definitely be able to keep some income rolling into your home, especially if you're not that superstar realtor who has a closing every other day or every week, or maybe your closings have actually slowed down. Now, I want to give you guys some statistics. Again, I see some realtors saying, no, people are still selling, people are still buying, but I wanted to be the one that give the real, news for the majority of people. So, this is all based on Georgia Real Estate Facts. They actually sent out a survey and asked some realtors the impact that the virus has had. 91% of the people that responded deal with the residential side, although it is a mix of commercial, property managers, and association management and staff as well. So 56% of these people say that the COVID virus in the past 7 days has impacted their business significantly. 35% said they seen the impact that was kind of moderate. 8% impact that it was kind of minimal. Now, when asked about adverse scenarios that had occurred due to COVID-19, 77% indicate that buyers have decided to delay the home search. So again, I hear people saying, oh no, buyers are still buying. Well, 77% of them have decided to wait. 57% reported that they postponed any potential new listings. 21% of sellers are counseling upcoming open houses, which is understandable. You'll have a lot of foot traffic and things happening if open houses are actually occurring. 15% reported sellers are removing their homes from the market altogether, and 12% indicate they've had difficulties requesting or receiving extensions on appraisals and or financing contingencies because of the virus. So with those numbers, I know that there will be even more of an effect over the next few weeks, few months, especially if there's not a game plan in place for you as a realtor. Now, we already know that majority of transactions when it comes to real estate cannot occur or have major problems because of financial or credit issues. And we know right now we are dealing with a major financial crisis in America. So that means there are going to be more people that are going to be in this scenario where they're not going to be able to qualify due to either their finances. People are deplenishing their savings because they're still trying to maintain their household, their food, their budget, etc. And then also when it comes to credit, some people may have to delay payments or run the risk or allowing those late payments and things to hit their credit because they're just in a spot where they cannot afford it. Now, I also know that banks and lenders are actually getting a lot more aggressive right now on their lending, where you may have had a client that could qualify with a 580, sometimes a 520, depending on the lender. Well, the rules are changing, and most of their changes are actually happening effective immediately. So what can you do in these times? Of course, yes, you can continue to try to do business as normal, which we know our normal is probably not going to be normal for a little while. Or you can say, hey, let me go ahead and have something in place where I'm able to still service some people, generate some income, and make sure I also stay afloat during those times. And with that, I want to share with you that there is a program where we can literally partner together, where you have those clients that are dealing with challenged credit right now. Refer them to our credit restoration program that is provided through United Credit Education Services, and allow for them to begin to work on their credit and get their finances in order, so that when the market does, recover, or we come out of this thing, you can have you a pipeline of people ready to buy and or sell, because you've been building up this pipeline. And so if you want more information, if you are one of the realtors that's like, hey, I'm not going to pretend like everything is fine. No, I need income, and I need income now. Please make sure you send me a text message or hop in my inbox or DM. I would love to provide you more details and information about how you can generate income while we're going through this market shift right now. I'm a licensed realtor. I understand. But luckily, I had a game plan in place. I had a program where I was able to service clients already. So the shift in the market is not going to impact my income. So to say, I still have a income that is still being provided weekly. And if you are one of the ones that, again, isn't afraid to say, hey, I need the additional income, I need some help right now, I would love to partner and or have a conversation with you to make sure that this is a good fit. And I can be reached at the number that's below. Talk to you soon.